started yesterday throwing together this little ornate Uromastyx enclosure. Kind of did a little, quick rock background, and used this 4x2x2 dubia reptile habitat. But one of the things I wanted to show you, we all know that Uromastyx like to wedge themselves into rocks and such. So I built on the bottom, down here where you can kind of see it, added some rock, some fake rock under the bottom of this hide. You see it there, so they can, once the substrate's in, can kind of wedge himself under there if he wants to. And then there's other spots that's got plenty of room to. And there'll also be a little, some rocks in the middle here that'll have places for him to kind of wedge himself. But anyway, just thought that was kind of a cool little feature that I wanted to show you guys. It's going to be for juvenile ornate. Anyway, I'll put some pictures up when I'm done, and then some of the little guy, I call him the fat guy because he's a porker, once he's in there. Peace.